name is Bob Robinson, and today we are doing another episode of Inanimate Object Wars. So yeah, in this series, we're going to be looking at Supercar and Pumpkin Maze to see if they battled and they were not inanimate. I keep saying non-animate, inanimate objects. Who would win? Let me think. Well, Pumpkin Maze. A Halloween maze. That's all there is to it. That's basically all there is to Pumpkin Maze. He's just a maze, and these are his attacks: headbutt, kick, punch, and punch. Oh, and jump scare! Jump scare. And this guy, well, he's stronger because this is weak plastic and paper, well, cardboard. Like cardboard paper. And then this is plastic. Yeah, like hard plastic. I mean, look, I can throw this at my wall and make a dent in my wall, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to. So, yeah. Well, first of all, let's get an ancient relic bonus. An ancient relic is something I find on the floor if I go to like a park or my school, if I'm just walking anywhere and I find something in the grass of like a park, not someone's yard, but like a park, and I pick it up. It's an ancient relic. Dun, 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 dun. So, and it also can, these are its attacks: run over, smash, kick, punch, and punch. And then wheel move, where it gets like this on the other non-animate objects and moves its wheels and then kicks it and does a backflip. Rum, kick, backflip. And then it usually does the drive one. So, it's obvious who would win, right? Obviously, it's Supercar. Because, let me think. This guy has a weakness. Destroy the paper and he's dead. So let me think. This is what would happen. This is exactly what would happen if these two battled. So watch. So Supercar, Pumpkin Maze. Hiya, hiya, hiya. Oh, ow, I got ripped. And then death. Oh yeah, the tiny ball left. There was a tiny ball in it, but then it got lost. So yeah, that's exactly what would happen. That is exactly what would happen. So yeah, the winner's obviously Supercar. Drive, drive, drive. Pumpkin Maze, you are a loser. And you are going to the rip area. Follow me. The rip section. The winner section. I have to make some stuff. Wait, no. The rip section. Yeah, rip section. The rip section's right there. And then the winner section is right there, okay?